Hi, this is Vijay Bamdwani and I'm back with you in this video to talk about a geopolitical event on a commodity that interests me a lot, natural gas. And it's been the backbone of my trading in financial year 2019-20, and in all probability it's going to be a major part of my trading blueprint in the financial year 2020-21 as well. You've all seen my videos on natural gas about shorting it in end of November or possibly December 2019 and covering it by vernal equinox, which is 21st of March 2020, and how that trade worked out beautifully well. Now, we are going to come to natural gas using a geopolitical trigger as our entry point. A couple of days ago, I read a news item which, as an Indian, frankly upset me a lot. The Chinese have signed a 25-year-old agreement with Iran, and they've promised to give a substantial amount of infrastructure, technology, and build a lot of ports, railways, etc., and develop oil wells. In the process, displacing India from the port of Chabahar. Now, the Chabahar port is not just any other port, it's also the backyard of Pakistan, which is actually Balochistan. Just like Pakistan keeps fingering India from the Kashmir border, the Indians can actually have the capability of keeping a watchful eye in the backyard of Pakistan from the port of Chabahar. So strategically, Chabahar is very important for us. Secondly, ONGC Videsh, which was developing oil wells in Chabahar, has now, in all probability, likely to be replaced by the Chinese oil and natural gas company. And talks are afoot about India being replaced even in some other towns where they have railway contracts. What is China doing this for? And how you can use this information to actually make a little more money. The Chinese are following what military strategists call the string of pearls technique. String of pearls is a garland or a necklace made of pearls. Now, as the definition of a garland goes, it goes around your neck, it encircles your neck. So look at what the Chinese are doing. On one hand, they are encircling India by befriending Pakistan, Nepal on the other side. Bhutan now is trying to be is getting to be influenced. On the southern side, you have Sri Lanka, where they've taken the Hambantota port from Sri Lanka on a 99-year-old lease, so that they now control the seaports in Gadar in Pakistan and now in Sri Lanka. They are also trying to spread their sphere of influence in the Maldives, and now the Chinese have basically replaced India and ONGC Videsh in particular in a very old, long-standing strategic ally called Iran. What is China possibly going to do? And in my opinion, humble opinion, definitely going to do by replacing India in Iran. The Iranians have the fourth largest reservoir or reserves of gas, very high quality, high calorific value gas. Iran also has a huge reserve of high quality, light, sweet crude oil. The Chinese are basically trying to choke off India's supply from Iran of high quality gas and oil. Gas, more importantly. We also happen to buy our gas from Qatar, by the way. Qatar is the world's leading exporter of natural gas. More than oil, they have gas, which is what they share with India via Patriotic LNG. But the Chinese are definitely trying to make India's energy supply, which is oil and gas, a little more expensive and trying to drive our economy lower by trying to make gas prices higher in India. As an Indian, I'm upset. But as a practical rationalist, I know that I'm not a soldier on the war front or on the battlefront, nor am I a diplomat or a government officer who can actually come to the direct help of my country. But I, on my own, have decided that if prices of natural gas were to go unusually higher in India because of the China factor, and it is not supported by a commensurate rise in the overseas market, the speculative premium that is going to be built into natural gas because of the China factor, because of the Chabahar factor, I will use that strategic data to go short in natural gas and make myself stronger. Remember Chanakya's old saying about money. If you were to read Chanakya's book, Kautilya's Arthashastra. Arthashastra is his best work ever, and the distilled wisdoms of thousands of years is built into this, is gone into this book. And Chanakya has said if you were to choose between these four, moksha, which is salvation, freedom from the process of birth and rebirth, dharma, which is religion, karma, which is action, and fourth, artha, which is economy, finance, and money. He said, choose money or artha, because without money, you will not be able to fulfill your responsibilities to God, to society, to your religion, to your action, or even attain salvation. So as traders, we continue to do our job of putting food on the table, making yourself stronger, but believe me, only the strong can help somebody else, whether it is a next door neighbor, a relative, or even the country. You want to help somebody, first be strong yourself. Weak people cannot help anyone at all. So my answer to China in Chabahar is drive oil prices and gas prices high as you want. We Indians are going to trade this. We Indians are going to use this adversity as a springboard of opportunity, and we are going to pay taxes on our profits and enrich our government. And then we'll think of ways to countering what you are doing. This is the way you should turn adversity into opportunity and strengthen yourself. On this optimistic note, I say goodbye in this video till we meet again in my next. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. In the comment section, do let me know what you think about this video and what else you would want me to record in my next. Help me reach out to fellow traders and spread the cult of knowledge-based investments and trading by referring this video to your family and friends. I hope you've also subscribed to Equity Master's Telegram channel with the official handle Equity Master Official. I keep posting a lot of stuff there every day, and I would love it if you could read my posts there. Do take very good care of yourself, your health, family, trades, and investments. Thank you for watching my video till we meet again very soon. Bye-bye. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my free email newsletter, Fast Profits Daily, and get my free guide, How to Trade Markets Like a Pro.